A very good morning all my dear students. I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Okay, so in today's video I will continue chapter 3. This is the fourth part of the chapter in which I will complete it. Okay, first I will explain you some points which are still left in this chapter, and then I will explain you the exercise. Okay, so till smudge effect I explained in previous video or previous classes. Today I am continuing with waves effect. Okay, so waves effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side horizontally. Horizontally means in this direction. Okay, suppose if you make any drawing, you can see there are white and yellow waves. You can see these waves are stretched horizontally. You can see in this direction these lines are stretched. So the waves effect stretches the lines horizontally and gives a wiggle. Okay, and just opposite of it, the wavelet effect. This wavelet effect, it wiggle the picture up and down vertically. I am showing you, I am just scrolling it down and I am showing you, see, vertically in this direction. Okay, top to bottom. So this is the difference between these two. Both are used to give a wavy effect, and both effects are applied on lines. Okay, but wave gives wiggle horizontally and wavelets give wiggle vertically. Okay, now I will show you on Tux Paint. So for that, first I am opening Tux Paint. Okay, now let it open. Okay, so now I am filling a blue color in the background as showing in the picture in your book on page number 16. So I am just taking this dark blue color. Okay, now I am filling this color in the background. Okay, now first I have to draw some lines. So I am taking yellow color and then clicking on lines option. Okay, now drawing some lines with yellow color, and later I will draw with white. Okay, so these are some yellow lines. Okay, four and 5. Okay, that's it. Now I will draw some white lines. Okay, it will look beautiful. You can see right now I'm just drawing straight lines, and just see what happens when I use the waves effect. Achha, one more thing, कि if you click at the bottom of the canvas, then it shows the lens rear waves, and if you click at the top, it shows dense waves. Okay, मीन्स अगर आप नीचे की साइड में क्लिक करोगे तो हल्की वेव्स आएंगी, अगर आप टॉप साइज में क्लिक करेंगे देन डार्क वेव्स आएंगी. ओके, सो लाइन्स हमने लाइन्स आई हैव ड्रॉन हियर. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द वेव्स इफेक्ट. सो फॉर यूजिंग वेव्स इफेक्ट, क्लिक ऑन द मैजिक tool and then choose waves option, waves effect. Okay, it is present at the last, waves effect. Okay, now you can see this magic wand. Okay, I am clicking here at the bottom to give a wavy effect to the lines. Okay, you can see the change. Again I am showing you, I have clicked at the bottom, so you can see the result. Now I will click at the top. Now you can see these waves are really dense, you know, it's not clear very much. And what happen if you click in center, you can see. So this is the difference. Okay, click at the bottom of the canvas, so your waves will look like this. Now I will show you the use of wavelets effect. So for that I'm going to take a new page. First I'm saving it. So this drawing is saved now. Now I'm opening a new page. Opening a new page with this color, the same color is given in your book, and now I'm drawing some lines to show you the use of wavelet effects. Okay, now I have drawn vertical lines. Now I will draw horizontal lines because I want to show you the use of wavelet effect. Okay, So clicking on lines. Okay, wait. Okay, now I will draw some straight line with white color and some with yellow. Okay, wait. In this way, with the help of lines tool, we can draw straight lines very easily, है ना? But using pen tool, we can't draw very straight lines. It is basically used to draw free hands, है ना? अच्छा, now I am drawing the yellow lines. Okay, there. Color and number of lines you can choose according to your choice. Okay, I am just going according to your book, so that's why I am taking same colors and I am showing you same. Okay, colors you can choose according to you. Just to show you, I am just inserting 2 lines with green color, but you can use any color which you want. Okay, and you can draw lines anywhere, wherever you want. For example, if you want to show waves you are drawing a picture in which you want to show waves in any river or any ocean, there you can use this waves or wavelet effect. Okay, now I will show you the wavelet effect. For that, first I clicked on magic tool. Now I am clicking on wavelets effect. Okay, first I am clicking at the bottom of the canvas. You can see the change. It's looking quite pretty. Now see what happens when I click at the top. These are really very dense, है ना? It is not looking nice. Actually, it's up to you. If you want to keep this in this format, you can do. See, in the center I have clicked. It looks like that. And see. Okay, so what the conclusion is, that when you click downwards, so waves gets rare, and as you clicks on topwards, so waves gets densed, more densed. Okay, now how to print your picture? For that you need to click on print option. As you will click here, so you can print it, but right now printer is not connected with my laptop, so that option is not visible. Otherwise, just clicking on this button, you can print your drawing. Whatever you have drawn, it will come on a blank page. Okay, now moving ahead in this chapter. Okay, first let me save it. Just wait. It's not working, then okay, leave it. Next topic in this chapter is the activity portion. It's an activity zone in which you are supposed to make this drawing. All the instructions are given here, so by following these instructions you can make this drawing. Okay, so it's your task to do. If you have computers at home, then you can go with that activity, and if you feel any difficulty, then you can call me, you can ask me. Okay, now I will explain you the exercise part of this chapter. So in exercise, first we have the fill in the blank. So this effect is used to effect as if the color mixed using wet paint. So it is a smudge effect which is used to mix the colors. Okay, second is, this effect is used to draw freehand drawing. So we can draw freehand using paint. Okay, first is smudge, second is paint, third is it is used to differentiate edges. So this is edges effect. Next, fourth is effect draws a trail of rainbow. So it is rainbow effect. And fifth one is the mirror effect, which is used to give a mirror effect to any stamp. Okay, and at the last, true and false are given here. Okay.